We're rolling sound. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're live.
Hello there, I'm TK63032, the 501st Cebu Scarab Squad, here to show you the standard Imperial MRE here in the outer rim. Now inside here, simple to open, remove the plastic, and we pop it there. Now it comes with a small checklist. This lets you know what you have, and lets you know what the Empire takes away from you, because you've done wrong. Now of course we have things such as the Datu Tutti, which apparently is a soy sauce of some sort. And we have the classic Carne Norte, which is some sort of corned beef. We have this ulam. Ulalam is apparently some sort of meat. It's great with the rice, which it's not seen here, but we'll be giving out puso everywhere. Of course, we have the watatops. These are very good cupcakes. And of course, they may have the force, but we have the magic flake. Great stuff. Important. They'll keep you alive. Now for the special people scarf, we also have fitness bar. Not sponsored. And of course, no outer rim can be without the boy bawang. Now the bawang's very great. Everyone loves the bawang. People come back here and love the bawang.
It's all about the bawang.
And of course the mango tang. We got the Copico. All these instant things. Fantastic stuff. You can have it warm if you're crazy. You can have it cold if you're a man. And of course, the things that makes real men cry, the Ovaltinis, they'll make the biggest man feel like the teeniest man with tears. Just like our braid squad leaders. Now of course, we also have the little bit things. We have the Milo, and of course, the Cheese Whiz, which looks white. Don't ask. We don't. And that's why we're alive. Now inside we have our usual mints. We have the Mentos right here. I think we should have another Copico. There we have. We have our Copico.
It comes in candy form.
Yep. We also have hydration tablets because you gotta hydrate or die. We have our tissue for those times you have to wipe away those tears when you eat the Ovaltinis. We got our spoons, our forks. We got the most important thing. We got the choke nut. The choke nut's one of the most important things here. You can leave everything here. You have the choke nut. That's all you need. And to top it all off, we have the most special thing, another choke nut. See, it is important. Keep the choke nut. Lose everything else, choke nut is king. Thank you guys. Stay safe in the outer rim. And remember, join the Empire or be crushed. Bye.